Okay, my friend, I am back again with my favorite Forex trading setup of the week for the week ahead. Well, it is one of my favorite setups, and in this video, we're going to go over the reasons behind the reason I'm looking to buy Euro Australian dollar this week, which is starting the 28th of February 2022. Okay, so before we get started, if you're new to my channel, and you want to get videos like this each and every week, simply hit the subscribe button now. So first off, I'm Will Simpson, aka the FX Ace, and let's get into this week's trading setup. As I said in the introduction there, we're looking to buy the Euro Aussie. Okay, I'm just going to flick my support and resistance dashboard, just make sure it's on the monthly, which it is. And like I said, if you're new and you want to know how I trade the markets, I look for certain levels on the higher time frame charts, i.e. weekly and monthly. Okay, so this week we're going to start on the weekly charts, and this is where I'm looking to trade down here. If we just zoom out, okay, you can see it's at the bottom of a range. A nice strong support there on the weekly charts. By the way, you're seeing two trades here. There is a day trade signal that I'm looking to enter around 155. Okay, that is not the trade we're looking at today. Okay, again, that's also a nice monthly support. You can see it's held well there before, both on the as a resistance and now as a support. Okay, so it's a very strong area. So I do expect a short-term bounce at this area or longer-term bounce. As you know, I open my trades on a Monday, and I close by a Friday. Okay, sometimes I will leave open, but 9 times out of 10, all my trades are closed on a Friday. Okay, they're short-term weekly swing trades, as I would call them. Okay, and yeah, so this is the weekly area I'm looking to buy at here. We see at the support and resistance dashboard, it gives us our exact price around 154. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm anticipating a bounce at this level. You can see also we have a nice daily level right at the 154 area. The reason I'm looking to take the 155 trade today is because we're at this daily leg start here. Okay, although it didn't create a high, this is the area that kind of started this move up, which is an area I look to trade at. Okay, so we'll just close that out. The weekly swing trade, I'm looking to enter down around here, 154. Okay, lines up nicely with monthly support, weekly support, long-term weekly and monthly support. Very basic concept trade. My support resistance dashboard shows me I've got monthly S2 around that area. I'll flick it over to the weekly charts also and see if I have a weekly level in around that area also. Very cool dashboard. You can see around the 153,500, between 153,500 and 154,600, we've got two supports. Okay, so bang in the middle would be a good area to enter that, which is the 154, and is the reason I'm entering this week's position at 154. Okay, basic trade setup, and again the target around the 160 area, just the top of this move up here. Okay, and let's get into it. I'll just write this down. Okay, very basic. Again, I've said it a few times. One of my very basic setups. Okay, let's have a look at it. It is buy Euro AUD 54. Okay, or the first MACD divergence that occurs within 20 or 30 pips off the 154 area, you can also enter. Okay. And if you want to get access to my MACD divergence indicator, just contact me at will@fxace.com. But okay, 4R or daily charts. Okay, stop loss. Okay, I'm going to go to my standard. Max is 130 pips, 52.7. Okay, take profit. Okay, we're going to go for 160. Like I said before, just top of this weekly range. 60. Break even. Okay, break even. I'll explain break even just now at 155. Okay, so what happens to break even is when price, we get the trigger, price hits 155, we close 50% off our position and move the stop loss to the entry price, which will be 154. Okay, so that means we're locking in 100 pips profit and we're letting the other 50% of the trade run. If it does drop down to back down to 154, we've already locked in 50% profit of 100 pips. Okay, so that's the setup. Again, very, very basic setup for me. Weekly support, weekly and monthly support. Also, my dashboard is showing me those support levels also. Yeah, so I'm expecting this to pop down and then rally back up. So that's the position. If you want to get access to my full list of trade setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below. Yeah, and as always, trade at your own risk. Have a fantastic trading week, and I shall see you on the next video. Well over to fxace.com.